Did you know Australia once went to war with emus? In 1932, farmers in Western Australia were battling a massive emu population, destroying their crops. The government's solution? The military. Armed with machine guns, soldiers were deployed. It was a chaotic, feathered battlefield. Despite their firepower, the emus proved surprisingly difficult to hit, often scattering and outmaneuvering the troops. The war lasted for weeks, and in the end, the emus largely won, with the military operation deemed a failure. It's one of the most bizarre chapters in military history. If you're fascinated by the strange and forgotten corners of history, hit that subscribe button for more.